Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use NameDrop on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, NameDrop allows you to share your contact quickly with another iPhone user. But first thing, you need to make sure it's turned on. So you're going to go into your setting and then scroll down to General. And then from General, we're going to click on AirDrop. And in the AirDrop section, you need to make sure it says Bringing Devices Together is turned on, so you can use the NameDrop feature. Now this has to be turned on both of the devices. So here I have it on this device, and then I'm going to check on another device that I have here. So just to verify, in the settings, again in general, and then AirDrop, and I'm going to make sure it is turned on. Now after that, you want to make sure your contact info is correct on your iPhone. So you'll go open up the Contacts app and then click on your contact card, and then adjust it if you need to, like your phone number, your email. You can click the word edit here and you can adjust each of them accordingly. And once you're done, you'll just hit done like this. So we're going to click done right here. Now, to show you how to use it, basically use this NameDrop feature. What you need to do is just bring the phones together close like this or from the top, and you'll be able to now basically share each other's contacts. So you can see here, I can select which contact I want to share. You can select my numbers if I have multiple numbers, or email, and then as well just by hitting that share icon on both devices, and it will share each other basically information, as you can see here, by swapping them. So that's how you use NameDrop on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.